Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna melt sandwich on the stove. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 5-ounce can of tuna, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. Don't forget 1 slice of cheese, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure your non-stick pan and stove are ready for action. This classic comfort food is just minutes away. Now, let's prepare the flavorful tuna salad. Begin by thoroughly draining your 5-ounce can of tuna. This step is crucial for a great texture. Next, transfer the drained tuna into a small mixing bowl. Add 2 generous tablespoons of mayonnaise, along with a pinch of salt and pepper for perfect seasoning. Stir everything together until it's well combined and creamy. This simple mixture forms the heart of your delicious tuna melt. With your tuna salad ready, it's time to assemble our sandwich masterpiece. First, butter 1 side of each of your 2 bread slices evenly. Place 1 slice of bread, butter side down, into a cold non-stick pan. Now, generously spread your prepared tuna mixture over this bread slice. Top it with 1 slice of your favorite cheese. Finally, place the second slice of bread, butter side up, on top to complete your sandwich. Now for the exciting part, grilling your tuna melt to perfection. Turn your stove to medium-low heat. Cook the sandwich for about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side until it's beautifully golden brown and the cheese begins to melt. Carefully flip it over using a spatula and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Once both sides are golden and the cheese is gooey, remove it from the pan. Slice in half and enjoy your warm, homemade tuna melt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.